We need to clean this up. It just looks a mess. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Shandell. Welcome to our channel, and I mean our as in baby boy. He's back there watching a YouTube video. We are on our way right now to go get a what am I trying to say? We're on our way right now to go get our ShopRite order, so we have to get our food. I put an order in like yesterday, so we can pick it up, so he can have food for school and snacks and stuff. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And your girl gotta clean this car. This car looks a mess. I have literally so much stuff to do today. I don't know if I'm gonna get it all done. Like, your girl needs to do her hair. It just looks a mess. So yeah, we're gonna get that done. We're gonna get ready to go. He is in the back. I kind of want him to take a nap. Because he usually takes a nap around like 1 o'clock in school. So I want him to pretty much stay the same on when we're out and stuff like that if he's not in school. So they sleep in school from 1 to 3. So even if he takes a nap from like 1-ish to like 3:30, that's fine too. So yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna go get our stuff. I'll ShopRite pickup order because I just don't feel like going inside. So yeah, we're gonna go do that, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's super nice outside. It is like it says 65 degrees, which is beautiful weather. Oh, I have to sneeze. Your girl got really bad allergies. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Hold on. Excuse me. One more. I gotta one more. Oh, I gotta oh no, it's not working. All right, guys, I am home now. My glasses are dark, so if you think anything, it's not you, it's me. My glasses are getting dark. So hold on, I fixed my arm. So we just got home now. This guy is napping like I told you guys that he would. I'm happy that he's taking a nap, and he pretty much sleeps through any loud noises. So I think I'm gonna do a grocery haul in the house because I don't have anything like really bad that should like won't bother being in the car. So I'm gonna clean my car because my car is horrible. I'm gonna roll down all the windows. I'm gonna let him stay in the seat and sleep because yeah, he needs a nap. So yeah, I'm gonna clean my car in the meantime because it looks crazy. I actually can show you guys some of the groceries right now, actually, while he's still sleeping, to kill some time. He is a sucker when it comes to the car. I don't think the vacuum's gonna bother him. He pretty much sleeps through anything. Like, we were on our way home, and I was literally not blasting music, but the music was like loud enough, you know, and it didn't bother him. So sorry if I sound mad, like stuffy. I have really bad allergies. So my allergies is kicking my ass. Sorry, any kids that are watching, you just heard that. Sorry, but yes, my allergies are kicking my butt. So yeah, that's what's going on. So right now it's only 1:45. So I figure if I clean my car, it's nice outside. Then when he wakes up, maybe we'll go on a walk, or go play in the backyard or something. Whatever. Take the dog on a walk. Whatever. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna show y'all the groceries real quick, so y'all can see what I got. A little mini grocery haul. And he, like I said, he sleeps, so he's not gonna wake up. All right, guys, here is the trunk. I can't wait to get a bigger car because I feel like all my groceries be taken out our trunk. So I got some chips, okay, thin, and I have a sweet tooth sometimes. I got some breakfast drinks. I got some fruit. I'm trying to get him into drinking fruit. Not drinking fruit, eating fruit. So I got 2 of those for school. I can catch, your girl got some ketchup. I thought I took this off, but I guess I didn't. What else? I got another thing of breakfast drink. If you don't know what it is, it's this right here. It's the Carnation, I think. Breakfast drinks, the vanilla kind. In this bag, we have some broccoli, some florets, some peanut butter and jelly, and custard beans. I think that might be all that's in this bag. That's all that's in this bag. And here we have like some bagels. I got like I got 3 things of bagels in here. You see, 3 things of bagels. And here I got some cream cheese, some yogurt, some lemon, some limes. And here I got some more snacks because we got sweet tooths in this joint. And then back there I have Taste and Love, like applesauce. I got some applesauce. I got my mother these big old things and I didn't think that they were gonna be this big. And I really don't remember what's in that bag. But yeah, that's the mini grocery haul for you guys. But yeah, so Kayson's taking a nap, and that is my little mini haul that I got going on. I'm actually about to ask my dad, can he come outside and grab the bag so he can take them inside for me. And yeah, actually I might just sit here for a little bit while he sleep. But I feel like I should get the cleaning because he is napping. And I feel like if I clean when he's up, he's gonna be like running all over the driveway. And like my undivided attention won't be on him. So that's why I'm like, oh, should I do it now? Should I wait? Oh, this is my good side. The heck. So yeah, I'm trying to figure if I should do it now or should I wait? I think I'm gonna do it now and maybe vacuum when he wakes up. Because right now it's just really a bunch of trash. But I actually need to clean his seat. I need to wash his seat cover. I probably won't do that today. I'll probably do that next week because then it can dry. Because we don't have nowhere to go next week. So yeah, but maybe I should show y'all the car. The car looks a mess. Like mom life, it's terrible. It's real terrible. I should have took a picture of my thumbnails so that we have something. Some stuff down there. I have some stuff on the floor. I need to go through that. A bunch of like nasty masks, disposable masks that can go in the trash. I have stuff in the seat. I had stuff up here that just needs to clean. The floors don't look too bad, but you know, I have some stuff down there. Like it's not too junky. Stuff back there, so it's not too junky. But my friends be getting in my car like, "Yo, you need to clean up," and it's just like I never got the time, so I'm gonna make time today to clean. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna clean this car. I'm gonna vacuum. I feel like there's no point to wash the outside of the car because we're right by like a bunch of trees that have pollen on it, and it's just no point. And it's gonna be looking polleny in a few days, so it's just no point. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I have this this portable vacuum cleaner or whatever. I got it off of Amazon. Hanson or whatever. I keep it in the box. He's still sleeping, but I keep it in the box. I keep it in the trunk. I got it off Amazon. If I can find it again, I will link it down below for you. But here it is. It has filters that you can like wash off and stuff. And then here is the vacuum cleaner. Isn't it so cute? Such a cutie. It has, you have to plug it in the what is that? What is that called? The cigarette lighter or whatever. It has like the little cracks, little tubey, and then like the little brush or whatever. And it came with 2 filters. The other filters already in here. This is how you would clean it out. You would just click this button right there. I don't know if I would do this with one hand. So that's the filter right there. I cleaned that last time. So yeah, like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, vacuum it or not, because he's still sleeping. He's sleeping so peacefully, and don't think that it's too hot, because it's really not. It's only like 63 and I have all the windows down and he's okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to see if I can vacuum this real quick. Only a few things that was in here. Like I have to refill this because I have one in my purse and I have one just in the car. My keys, masks that need to be washed, some butt balm. This is probably the best butt balm. If you have not tried this and you're a mommy and you just had a baby, best butt balm ever. Earth Mama organic butt balm. It's so good. It's like a oil, I guess. Hold on, let me see if I can open it. It's hard to do things with one hand, but it's like that. You really don't need a lot. I've been using this for Kason since he was a baby. He doesn't get rashes and stuff now, but I've been using it ever since. So yeah, I have that. This isn't my charger, it's my mom's charger. This is my wallet, stuff that just need to go in the I can put this change in here. Put change in there, and then back there I just have like my lunchbox that I forgot to take out. Some masks for Kason that I'm gonna take in the house and wash. I had a towel in here because last week Blossom went to go get a haircut and it was raining outside, so I didn't want her to be stepping on my seats, even though my seats are dirty anyway, but that's besides the point, sis. And then I found some baby oil. I found some gloves for when it was snowing and I had them back here for Kason. And then I found some sunscreen, which we're gonna be using because it's good up until 2022. So done. So I cleaned the mirrors. The outside just needs to be cleaned. That's why it looks like that. Look at the floors. The floors look so, can you guys see? So good. So the vacuum, like I said, it isn't the greatest, but It does its job, sis. It does its job. Look, I'll show you this side too. This side, so it does its job. Oh, and then this guy decided he would put a wrap on the floor, but it does its job. If you've seen before, that side was something crazy. His car seat even was crazy, and I cleaned it out. So some of this stuff is going in the house. But yeah, that is really it. So the car is good. My trash bag of stuff right here. Because I figured it'd just be easier to put it in the trash bag. So not too crazy. I'm going to put more stuff in here. Pretty sure I got more junk in the house that need to go in here. Don't spray. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed our Sunday vlog. We're probably going to go on a walk. It's really nice outside. He has a scooter that my dad gave him for Christmas. So we might do that and just go walking or something. Or we might just take a drive, I don't know, to get out the house. So that is the end of our video. I hope that you guys enjoy. Make sure to, oh, you can't even see your girl. Your girl is looking dark. Oh, okay, that's better. Make sure to hit that like button so that you, what am I trying to say? Make sure to hit that like button because you like the video and you support your girl. Make sure to also subscribe to the channel. Join the gang. We love you guys so much. Bye. Casey, say bye. Hey, you gonna say bye? Bye. Peace, guys.